Hey, welcome to another exciting video at Mathematics and ETH YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking you this problem on integral, and from the look of things we can see that it has to do with integration by parts. So I want to have this as our u and all this as what? Our dv. So remember, by formula, okay, we know that our integration by parts is integral of u dv is equals to what? We have u multiply v, okay, minus integral of v du. So we already have that our u is x and dv is, all of this. So, but one thing is we have to look for v, okay? So we have the problem as integral of, we have x and we have our dv as, exponential to the power 2x multiplied by what? The x. So since our u is x, okay, so u is what? X, so multiply. Now what is v? Okay, so since we have our dv as equals to, e to the power of 2x multiplied by what? Dx. To find our v, we are simply going to integrate both sides so that this will cancel out this. So we have our v as integral of what this. Now the integral of this is simply, you want to say e to the power of what? U. So if you make u as equals to 2x, what will be our dx? So if u is equals to 2x, okay, so du is simply equals to 2 dx. All right. So our dx here is going to be what? Dx is going to be du over what? 2. All right. So we are simply going to put what? Du over what? 2. So finally, we have that, okay, our v is going to be, we have, this is a standard what? Integral, so it is still going to be our e to the power of u. Remember, u is 2x, okay, divided by what? 2. So now we have been able to get our value of what? V, because remember, this is still what? Integral of e to the power of u divided by 2 du, and remember, we have half here, okay, which we have as this, all right? So, and the integral of what? Just e to the u du, remember, is the what? E, to the power of u. So now that we've been able to have, our v, all I need to do is I'm going to substitute v as e to the 2x divided by 2. So we have minus integral of what? We have our v, which is to e to the power of 2x divided by 2. Now, what is du? Now, since our x or u is equals to x, all right, so du is simply going to be dx, okay? As u changes, x changes. All right, so it means our du here is simply what? Dx. So now that we've been able to get that, we can now simplify this further. Now from this, I can simply bring this here as 1 over what? 2, okay? So we're meant to integrate this part. So let's have this as integral of x, e to the power of 2x multiplied by dx is going to be, okay, we have this multiplied is going to be x multiplied e to the power of 2x divided by 2 minus we have half. Now, we have earlier integrated this. So this is simply what? We have e to the power of 2x divided by 2. Okay, from what we did earlier. All right, so plus we are going to have our c. All right, so our final answer to this problem, is simply going to be, now we can multiply this. Okay, so if we multiply this, we are going to have 2 multiply 2 here is going to give us what? 4. Okay, so if we multiply these brackets, we can now get our final answer to this problem. So let me simply write out the final answer to this problem, which is going to be, we have x multiply e to the 2x divided by 2 minus 1/4. Okay, multiply, we have e to the 2x plus c. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to someone out there. See you guys in my next one. Bye.